Yadav Measurements Private Limited is a professionally managed calibration and type test facility for energy meters. Yadav Measurements is accredited by NABL, the National Accreditation Board for Testing and Calibration Laboratories in India. It is also the only laboratory in India to be accredited by UKAS, the United Kingdom Accreditation Service, as a test and calibration facility for electrical parameters. These accreditations give Yadav Measurements a national and global acceptance of its test and calibration capabilities. The main challenge for the Indian power sector is the reduction in its abnormally high transmission and distribution losses. The extra high voltage and high voltage substations are the main hubs of power exchange, where electricity worth millions of rupees is transferred every day. Accurate measurement of these power transfers is the key to better energy accounting. Substation instruments are calibrated periodically to ensure that the revenue registers are under check. However, the instrument transformers which feed the energy meters are a major contributor to the accuracy of the energy metering system. For example, a ratio error of a mere 0.5% and a phase error of just 30 minutes can cause a staggering variance of 15 million rupees per annum for a typical 100 MVA substation. Demanding system conditions, adverse climatic environments, aging, excessive burden, line faults and surges affect instrument transformer accuracy over a period of time. The sheer physical size of the current and voltage transformers make them impractical to remove and send to a distant lab for routine calibration. Yadav Measurements introduces a major innovation in the field of electrical metrology, MOBILAB, a unique test and calibration facility capable of reaching the remotest power substations and providing them a second echelon measurement facility at their doorstep. MOBILAB and its trained crew set up a calibration laboratory within the substation itself. When MOBILAB arrives at your substation, not only do you get state-of-the-art test and measuring equipment, but also a skilled and energetic team fully trained in the science of electrical metrology. Once on site, the MOBILAB crew confirms the work plan, placement of equipment in the substation yard. Having parked MOBILAB at the selected location, MOBILAB is secured from movement and energized using a power supply derived from the substation. MOBILAB is also equipped with its own backup generator set. Setting up the calibration facility is a matter of moving heavy but sensitive test equipment, a job assisted by purpose-built materials handling equipment carried by MOBILAB. Equipment is unloaded from MOBILAB using a built-in hoist and is transported to the selected location in the substation yard by a custom-built all-terrain material handling vehicle. Even heavy equipment such as a 132 kV capacitance divider is safely but surely lifted and moved to site and quickly but carefully assembled. MOBILAB is equipped to test and calibrate voltage transformers or VT up to 132 kV using a standard capacitor divider connected directly online. Voltage transformers up to 33 kV are tested using control source. A very high precision electronic voltage divider compares the actual source voltage against the voltage produced by the VT under test with an accuracy of 0.08%. All tests are carried out at the actual operating burden of the voltage transformer, and the test results thus reflect the true errors in the installed system as a whole. Once the equipment is set up, the relevant section of the substation needs to be shut down and the test equipment wired up. The test itself takes a few minutes. Test results are stored in the equipment and downloaded to the on-board computer in MOBILAB to produce valid calibration certificates on the spot. The heart of the current transformer or CT calibration system is a standard CT with source. The CT test system has an accuracy of 0.03%. and is suitable for CT's primary current up to 2000 amperes with a capacity of 6000 volt amperes. Since CT errors are greatly influenced by the burden connected to them, testing CTs under real burden conditions is a great advantage. Conducting a CT test is a matter of setting up the test equipment at site. Meters and indicating instruments are calibrated in the controlled environment of the air-conditioned interior of MOBILAB. The MOBILAB is equipped with a precision energy and power reference standard of 0.02% accuracy. A measurement capability at least 10 times better than the most accurate meter in the substation. The tests are carried out using stable laboratory-grade static voltage and current source. The whole ensemble brings the capabilities of a second echelon laboratory to the substation, a facility never before demonstrated. Apart from testing instrument transformers and meters, MOBILAB can also calibrate other substation measuring instruments such as voltmeters, ammeters, power factor meters and frequency meters. Earth-resistant measurements can also be carried out if needed. MOBILAB represents an ideal solution for better substation measurements. It brings together the four aspects critical to its endeavor: accuracy, speed, quality and safety. Accuracy, the key to all measurements. MOBILAB is equipped with instruments that are several folds more accurate than the best substation instruments. Meticulous care in operation and maintenance in the hands of competent crew ensures repeatable and reproducible measurement accuracy. Speed, the essence of working in live substations with minimum work disruption. The MOBILAB crew practice procedures designed for quick setup, accurate testing and rapid wind-up. Quality, the very reason why a measurement service exists. The accuracy of all MOBILAB instruments is traceable to India's National Physical Laboratory, giving valid measurements every time. MOBILAB is backed by the rich experience of Yadav Measurements in running NABL and UCAS accredited lab facilities. MOBILAB practices conform to IEC 17025, the standard which defines good practice to be followed. Safety, the backbone of working in substations. Trained personnel, reliable equipment, safe procedures and a safety culture makes MOBILAB safe for work in substations. MOBILAB, the solution to calibrating all measuring instruments and instrument transformers. MOBILAB, a unique solution to an intractable problem for substation engineers. A significant contribution to accurate and valid measurements of the bulk flow of power. And to us, at Yadav Measurements, the fulfillment, one of our many dreams in our perpetual quest for finding a better way of doing things.